Hi guys. This is Tekken 2023 design. It is one of the most trusted motorcycle in the category of off-road or adventure bikes in the Kenyan market today. It is mostly known for its better pickup power, horsepower, torque, fuel efficient, proven durability, and super reliable. It is also built with modern technology to meet global demands. As you can see this bike, it has the inverted shocks. By the way, guys, before purchasing a bike, you need to consider a few things. Things like the speed, things like the roads, things like the distance. Those are some of the things that you need to consider before purchasing a bike. Why am I talking about the roads? You look at this bike, there are some places that you cannot take a sport bike, but this bike can go to places that you can take the sport bike and it can do very well. Why? It has some features like the inverted shocks. Why do we have the inverted shocks? These inverted shocks are to make sure that you're not feeling the impact of the potholes. And then maybe when you're braking, when you just brake, you cannot overtake the bike. So that's why we have the inverted shocks. What else does this 2023 design has? It has the crash guards. What is the work of the crash guards? This bike is meant to go for places like bushy places that are terrain roads. So when your bike falls, it means that your fairings will always be clean. You will not have the scratches or even the breaking of this bike. Look at this bike, it has the engine guard. Why do you have the engine guard? It's because this bike is meant for terrain places that have bad roads. Let me talk about bad roads. So when you go to those places, probability of getting stones or even very hard soil is very high. So these crash guards, this engine guard is going to make sure that your bike is intact. The engine will always be intact. We come to this bike has a shock that is adjustable. So if you have the bike that is adjustable, whether you're tall, whether you're short, you'll always in this bike. Then it has the guards, the hand guards that has the indicators. And when you indicate this bike, it is going to indicate you on the side. So it is going to indicate even on the boxes. Now, every time you look at a bike, you need to understand a few things about every bike that you come across. Now, every time you look at a bike that the tank is big, it needs to tell you something. You need to learn something about every bike that you come across. When you have a bike that has the exhausts that are elevated above the tires, why do you have them? So remember that the exhaust it's just like your nose. So if you have the elevated exhaust, it means that this bike, when it goes to those places that are bushy, probability of getting water is very high. And if the exhaust is elevated, it means that even though your bike gets into that water, it's not going to get to the exhaust. So your bike will keep on moving. You'll keep on working with this bike. Now, every time you look at a bike and it has the tank is big. With an engineering aspect, it means that this bike is meant for long distance. So with a long distance, you don't have to keep on fueling your bike. So that's why you have a big tank to take you for a very long distance. Now this bike has the oil coolant. Why do you have no oil coolant? Every time you look at a bike and it has the oil coolant, remember that in an engineering aspect, it means that bike automatically is meant for long distance. Why? This bike has has already been sold. Remember that the price of this bike goes at a price of 315,000 and it is negotiable with the boxes, but without it is 297, still negotiable. David, hi, how are you? Karibu sana. Yeah, now how do you feel that you have purchased this bike?
It's been a journey actually. Yeah, it's been a journey.
Okay.
Started with
What should you tell people, what did you look at before purchasing this bike? Or what made you to come for the Tekken?
one something that most the normal bikes don't have is engine protection. So the engine, yeah. Because most of the bikes that I have had before, unapata ikianguka, engine gets destroyed. Yeah. So this is the first thing I was looking at.
Okay.
Then I was also looking for something that is oil cooled. We are usually used to engines that are air cooled on motorbikes. So I was also looking for something that is oil cooled. Yeah. So I guess that was the number one thing that drove me to Tekken.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, what would you tell people there outside?
Well, I like the design. Yeah. The design itself. A higher fuel tank, the boxes, which means, like you say, very nice with a way for long distance. For a guy who, I'm always in the field.
Okay.
So I need to be at places, very far places away from my place. So very tough to get. So it's an adventure bike, and I like it. So generally the design, the tank, the crash cards. Then this one thing that I found, it might be simple to someone, but I found it cool. The indicator sticker and handguards. Much as we also have the indicator lights here, but we also use our of the indicator lights handguards. So I found that really cool to me.
Now, David, there's someone out there who is wondering, now, how will I get the 315,000 with this economy? What would you tell them? How long did you take to purchase this bike?
Wow. I remember I came here with it August.
Okay.
July actually, when I was inquiring, because I met you by marketplace, I remember. So I liked the bike, so I visited on July this year. Then August, I started making the first payment.
Okay.
So you can actually pay in the window. And I'm glad it has worked out for me. So August, September, October, November, December, a little bit of 5 months.
Okay.
Yeah. So the good thing is you can bear witness. I used to deposit 10,000, 50,000, 15,000. I think finally we're here.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Okay,
So
thank
you
you
don't
so
have-
much for trusting us with your money, by the way.
You're welcome.
Yeah, we really appreciate for that. Yeah.
I
Now,
also really appreciate this. You will find very few motorcycle dealers in the market that actually allow you to pay for the money.
okay.
So unless you go for financing, when you go loan, you leave and you want to buy. It's actually difficult. So also thank you for trusting the customer.
Okay. Okay, thank you so much, David. Ride safe every time while you're riding gears. And we wish you all the best. And every time that you need us, just give us a call anytime, any hour. We don't mind. Yeah. Okay, karibu sana. Okay, fill the bike.
also like the luggage space. So bad.
Unaweza ikalia.
Hiyo anatolewa hapa.